Music has two rights. There's the rights in composition, where the split sheets come into play. And then there's the rights in sound recording. Here we're basically talking the master. If we can grasp this concept that music has two rights associated with it, then trust me, we are one step closer to understanding the various revenue streams that are available to you as a songwriter, producer, or performing artist. Okay, let's break down music rights, but I'm gonna explain it in a way that's familiar to all of us. We all like making juice, right? So let's go with that. In order to make juice, you need two things. You'll need juice concentrate and you need water. You mix the two together and then you have juice. Music is very much the same. A song is made up of beats and lyrics. You put them together and you have a song. Now imagine the water and the juice concentrate that you mix together to make juice have their own rights that are separate to the juice that you enjoy later. Very much the same way that lyrics and beats that make up a song have their own rights, which are called rights in composition, as compared to the final song which we all enjoy, which is called rights in sound recording. It is vitally important that we understand that these two rights exist. So the juice concentrate, which we're going to call the beats, and the water, which we'll call the lyrics, have royalties due to them, which are called performance royalties and mechanical royalties. These are both due to the producer and songwriter. Next we have the juice, which is basically the song. And the song accrues a royalty to it. These royalties can either be called neighboring rights, related rights, or needle time. And these royalties are due to the record label or the independent performing artist. In South Africa, the C.M.Os are the ones responsible for collecting all these royalties and making sure that they go to the correct rights holders. Please see my interviews with the various different C.M.Os explaining their functionality and their role in the industry in more detail. Before ending this video, I can't go without mentioning the importance of metadata. Metadata is also another reason as to why so many royalties are not being collected. Metadata is basically the song information which you have. It's usually the song name, who's the composer, who's the publisher, what's the song duration, what's the ISRC code. And if you don't know what that is, please watch the recent video. Having the correct metadata will aid in the collection of these royalties that are currently just floating, resulting in the money going back into the pockets of the creators. Therefore, you guys can further invest in your craft and your career.